First ball went out. And a point for Team Amulung. (1-0) is our score, and to serve for Team Amulung, we have jersey number 1, Morales. Nice serve. And a chance ball given. But nagkulang sa push si jersey number 4, Bakay of Team Solana. And now 2-0 is our score now. Morales still serving. The 1-2 play blocked by jersey number 4 of Team Amulung. Nice read there. 3-0 run in the start of this first set by Team Amulung. Morales is still serving. 3-0 is our score. Received by Bago, jersey number 7. And a point for Team Solana, courtesy of Layugan with that hit. Bakay now to serve. Received by Morales. Padilla sa gitna. Layugan will hit, top spin. Received by the libero. A drop shot. Ball is back to Team Amulung. Padilla is dug up by Bakay. Layugan with that hit. Morales is there. And a free hit to Toyongan, the setter of Team Solana. Now the lead is up by 1. 3-2 is our score. Still in favor for Team Amulung. A joust on the net. A miss received by the libero. And now we are tied at 3. Bakay is still serving. And a service error is committed by Bakay. (4-3) is our score. Now serving on Team Amulung is jersey number 14, their team captain, Toyongan. To the open, it is blocked by Padilla. And Team Amulung is up by 2. 5-3 is our score. And that is a service error, a free point for Team Solana. And Toyongan now is on deck to serve. A strong serve and it went outside. A free ball point to Team Amulung. 6-4 is our score. And now the middle attacker of Team Amulung on the service line, Padilla. Toyongan. Libero. Morales with the approach but overset. Bumalik. Layugan with that swipe. And di na nga naangat ng kapitana ang drop ball na iyon. And the lead is now on 1 point. 5 serving 6. But Layugan sails that ball out for Team Solana, and now 7-5 as our score. Jersey number 4 for Team Amulung to serve. Received by Layugan. Patag is there to push that ball. And Morales pushes that ball straight to the net. And a point will be given to Team Solana. Patag, wearing jersey number 13, is on deck to serve. And that ball went too long. And Morales, jersey number 2 to serve. Received by Akkad. And a push there by Bakay. Morales with the approach down the line. Received by Patag. Akkad with that cross-court kill. Iniwasan ang blockers, but that ball sails out. 9-6 is our score. Nice serve there by Morales. Down the line hit, dug up by Morales. And the libero couldn't get that second ball for Team Solana. And now Team Amulong is up by 4, 10, serving 6. Patag with that reception. Down the line hit by Bakay. And back row attack. And that ball went outside for jersey number 4 of Team Amulong. And now to serve, their team captain, Bago. Out of system play, a ball over, a chance ball for Team Solana sa gitna. Akkad with that cross-court kill. And a point for Team Solana. 8 serving 10 is our score now. Bago still serving. Another out of system play. Pero hindi na naabutan ni Morales. And Bago still serving. A service error is committed by Bago. 11-9 is our score now. Nice serve, Patag. Bakay in the middle. Dug up. And Patilla with that top spin. Bakay off the block. 1-2 play. And top spin by Akkad. Padilla is dug up by Patag. Set to open Morales with that push. Pinalo ni Layugan sa likod. And Padilla will try again, but Patag is there for that defense. Bakay is asking for a check, but that spike went too long for Team Solana. And a point for Team Amulong. 12 serving 9 is our score. A service error is committed there by jersey number 12. And now Akkad to serve for Team Solana. A service ace for Akkad. Ganda ng hang time ng service at biglang bumaba right in the center of Team Amulong. Medyo nagkagulo sa side ng Team Amulong. Layugan with a hit and dug up by Morales. Free ball given to Team Solana. Bakay is blocked by Padilla. Bantay na bantay ni Padilla ang palo ni Bakay. And now, it is our first technical timeout of this match. 13-11 is our score. And also a happy watching to all our live viewers. Hello to Catherine Joy Soriano Bangayan. Ayan. Supporter of Team Solana. Go Amulong, sabi po ni Mike Aldre Cabildo Pablo. Ayan, anak ko yan, sabi po ni Azrima Alejandro. Good luck, Team Solana. And God bless to your game, Team Solana, sabi po ni Vivian Patag. And I can see one of the supporters here for Team Amulong. Hello to Lord Mark Estrada. And also to Trixie Lane. Go Amulong, pakapya mo maggayam. Malu, sabi po ni Balong Raynon Padilla. And hello po to our live viewers. As you can see, tikitan pa rin po ang laban ng dalawang kopona. And on the service line is Morales, wearing jersey number 1 for Team Amulong. Nice serve. Targeting the hands of the libero. And Morales got a service ace. 14-11 is our score now. And binawi ng service error for Morales. And now Bakay is on the deck to serve. Nice pick up there by Morales. Joust on the net, won by Toyongan, the setter of Team Solana. Bakay with that service error. And bumalik sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Team Amulong. 15-13 is our score. Sa gitna, Layugan with that cross-court kill, but it went on the net. 16-13 is our score now. Ayan, kaya pa yan Team Solana. Sabi po ni Catherine Joy Soriano Bangayan. Bakay with that reception to Layugan. Too much angle on that middle attack. And a free point again for Team Amulong. Team Solana need to minimize those unforced error para madikitan ang Team Amulong. Layugan with that top spin. Set to Morales with that approach. But that spike will send that ball out. Napalakas masyado ang spike ni Morales. And now Toyongan will do the serve. But that ball sails out for Team Solana. 18-14 is our score now. And now the middle attacker Padilla will serve right straight to the net. (15-18) is our score now. Layugan is on deck to serve. And also a service error is committed by Layugan. Both teams committed service error on both ends. And now jersey number 4 will try. Nice serve. Out of system play. Free ball for Team Amulong. A drop ball by Morales. Toyongan. Open. And that ball sails out for Patag. And Team Solana now will call a timeout. Ayan, go. Gem Rose. Sabi po ni, ang hirap naman ng name nito, Jill Shermondi Badajos. And hello. Hello to our 95 live viewers. Still on play, we have Solana versus Team Amulong on Women's Division. And on our next game will be Team Alcala versus Tuguegarao City. The hosting team will go up against the powerhouse Team Tuguegarao City. But before that, we're still watching the exciting play between Team Amulong and Solana. Ayan, shout out Tito. Sabi po ni Jason Maranan. Hana yan, sabi po ni Heidi Gale. Hello to Lord Mark Estrada. Go Amulong, ilaban nyo biyag talaga. And back to the ball game. Patag with that kill, dug up. And Morales will give a chance ball for Team Solana sa gitna. Akad. Cross court attack is dug up. Again, another chance ball. Toyongan. To Patag. A cross court kill. But went outside. And a point for Team Amulong. Team Amulong now is up by 6, 21-15. The reception by the libero, ginawa ng paraan ni Bago. And now the approach, Morales just went too long with that hit. Patag now to serve. Nice serve. And a 1-2 play. A drop shot by Akad. Morales tries. And through the hands of the libero on that down the line hit. And a point for Team Amulong. 22. Serving 16. Nice receive there by Akad. Bago with that drop shot. Pick up by the libero. Morales with the approach. Down the line is dug up by Patag. Bakay will try. And she scores with that top spin. Bago to serve. The team captain of Team Solana. Nice serve. Nice pick up. 1-2 play. Binalik. Sinipa. And that just went outside. A point for Team Solana. And now Team Amulong calls for a timeout. Ayan, hello, hello. Happy watching, Eunice Malabo. The libero of Team Pamplona. Ayan, hello to Wendell Estrada, Lord Mark Estrada. And shout out po, let's go Amulong. Sabi ni Gail De Mata. Go Amulong na Isal Salamunina. Ayan, sabi po ni Hamilton Rendon. Lodi Lenlen Bago. Sabi po ni Karil Lonzaneda. Hello, shout out to Cherry Pie, Mateo Eya. Happy watching po. And also watching from Taguig, we have Lord Mark Estrada. Hello, hello. Ayan, back to the ball game. Still serving, we have jersey number 7, Bago of Team Solana, the lefty. Morales with that approach. Dug up by Layugan. Perfect sa setter and with the help of the net, Bakay will score a point for Team Solana. And the lead is down by 3. 19-22 is our score. Targeting the libero out of system play. And now a chance for Team Solana. Set sa gitna. Akad! With that off the block hit. And now the lead is down to 2. Tinatrabaho ng Team Solana ang kalamangan ng Team Amulong, and now Morales with that reception. Morales will give that free ball. But Bakay sails that ball out. An enforced error to this crucial match. 23 serving 20. Bago will receive. And a set to Layugan, a push. Receivable. Drop shot. Toyongan. Binato sa likod. And Padilla. Top spin. Bakay with the attack error. Ayan. Amulong is now on their set point. 24 serving 20. Nice serve. Toyongan is set to Bakay with drop shot. And nagkahiyaan ang Team Amulong on that drop ball by Bakay. And is still holding on. 21 serving 24. Akad on deck to serve. Nice serve. Padilla will try. And Padilla. Hey! And the first point will go to Team Amulong. Ayan, Morales is still on the service line. Toyongan will set up to open. And off the block hit by Bakay. And Akad now is on deck to serve. 1-all is our score. Received by Morales. Padilla on that running attack. Layugan with that cross-court kill. Ayan. Two, 1 is our score. A service error is committed by Akad. And the team captain, Desuna, will serve. A service error by jersey number 14, Desuna. Will give a point to Solana. 3, serving 2. And also to Bakay, a service error. And now Padilla will serve. Nice serve. And she got an ace. Ayan, 4-3 is our score. And binawi ng service error ni Padilla ang puntos kanina, and now we are tied at 4. Toyongan to serve. Nice receive there by the libero sa gitna. A swipe there by Layugan. Targeting the end line of zone 2 for Team Amulong. Now they are up by 1-5-4 is our score. A push Tinulak sa likod ni Toyongan. And now a chance ball for Team Amulung. Layugan on that middle attack, targeting zone 5. At the back line of Team Amulung, 6-4 is our score. Toyongan is still up to serve. And a chance ball again for Team Solana. Layugan. Too much angle on that hit. And a point for Team Amulung. 5-6 is our score. Kanapi is on deck to serve. A service error for Kanapi. And now Layugan is on the deck to serve. Nice serve. And the libero couldn't pick that second ball. A point for Team Solana. 8-5 is our score. Again, targeting Kanapi. Now Kanapi will give a free ball to Team Solana. Bago. Straight to the net. Attack error sa lefty ng Team Solana. Now Morales, jersey number 2 to serve. Nice pick up there by Akad. Patag with that push in the middle. And na late si Kanapi to dig that ball up. Nice serve again. Chance ball for Team Solana sa gitna. Akad off the block hit. Medyo nag-struggle si Kanapi to get that ball up. And now targeting Kanapi again. Set and a free ball back to Team Solana. Morales and that back row attack. Bago dug up and the ball still in the air. Miscommunication there by Akad and Pascual. And now Miguel is on deck to serve for Team Amulung. It hits the line. A point for Team Amulung. 8-10 is our score. Nice serve. A back row for Layugan. And that ball sails out for that back row hit. And now the lead is down to 1. 10-9 is our score. Targeting Layugan. Babalik sa Team Amulung. And a free ball also for Team Solana. Pascual with that hit. Padilla will swipe that ball. And a point for Team Amulung. And now we are tied at 10. Team Solana will call a timeout. Ayan. Reading the comments. Ayan, sana makasunod pa kami, sabi po ni Paula Jean Gakutan Anog. Ayan, saan ka nababanda? Paula, go Lenlen Bago. And go Team Solana, sabi po ni Margaret C. Marquez. And a clap coming from Justin Castillo Takal. Hello. Go Solana, sabi po ni Cathalea Caballero. Go Amulung. Ang sinisigaw naman ni Trixie Lane. Go Sakuragi ng Solana, sabi ni Hermione Esteban. Ayan. Hello to Lord Mark Estrada. Ilaban nyo biyag talaga Amulung. And also to Myla Gumabay Mora. Good luck Ate Lenlen. And now we are back to the ball game. And Miguel is on deck to serve for Team Amulung. Nice serve. Toyongan sa gitna. A miscue there. And now a chance. Padilla. With that off the block hit. And now Team Amulung is up by 1. Too much angle on that serve. Miguel got a service error. Now Bago, the team captain, will serve that ball straight to the net. And a free point for Team Amulung. Ayan, 12 serving 11 is our score. Morales with that high precision serve, targeting the libero. And a point for Team Amulung. This is now our second technical timeout of the match. 13-11 is our score. Ayan, bawi kayo Layugan at Toyongan. Sabi po ni Catherine Joy Soriano Bangayan. Ayan. Sana makita pa ulit natin ang good connection between Toyongan and Layugan. Because I guess they are unstoppable on the side of Team Solana. And go Ate Lenlen Bago from Khalid. Sabi po ni Azrima Alejandro. Hello, shout out J. Wendell. Or shout out kay Wendell Estrada. Sabi po ni Lord Mark Estrada. Ayan, back to the ball game. Morales, the twin sister, will serve the ball for Team Amulung. Nice serve! But that ball is still on play. Padilla finding the corner on zone 5 of Team Solana. Masyadong napaharap ang libero. And now 14-11 is our score. Morales for that pickup. Padilla will try. And the soft spike will go right straight to the net. At a point for Team Solana. Now on the service line we have Akad. And Miguel couldn't get that ball up. A service ace for Akad. Jersey number 3 of Team Solana. 13-14 is our score. Back set to Padilla. Nice dug up. Layugan. Top spin. Canapi on that hit. Layugan will try. Dug up. Ayan. Morales sisters para sa depensa. And also to Miguel para sa Team Amulong. Layugan with that drop shot. A pancake save. Nagkagulo ang Team Amulong to get that ball up. But nice effort to Team Amulong. A point for Team Solana, and now we are tied at 14. Pero sayang kasi binigyan ng puntos at binalik ang kalamangan ng Team Amulong with that service error. And the Suna, the team captain, to serve. Layugan with that top spin. And that ball sails out for Layugan. Bumalik sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Team Amulong. 16-14 sa score. Toyongan to Layugan. Is dug out by Canapi. Canapi with that attack error. (15-16) sa our score. Canapi to receive. Out of system play. And a chance ball. Layugan off the block. Dug up. Padilla. And Layugan pushes that ball at the back. Now Padilla will swipe. And a point for Team Amulong. Substitution for Team Amulong. Canapi will go out. And jersey number 8 is in the court for Team Amulong. Padilla to serve. Too much power in that serve. And a point for Team Solana. 16-17 is our score. Nice received by Morales and her twin sister Morales. Layugan find the corner for Team Amulong, targeting the zone 5. Now Toyongan is on deck to serve. Sa gitna, Morales with that approach, dug up. Bago to Layugan. Drop shot is good for Layugan. And now Solana is up by 1. Ayan, a chance ball now for Team Solana. Kanino ibibigay? Syempre kay Layugan with that swipe. Founding the hole at zone 1 of Team Amulong. And now they are up with 2 points. 19-17 is our score now. And hello to our live viewers. Go Kathleen Layugan, kaya pa yan. Sabi po ni Mark Agana. Okay lang yan. Florida ay gumabay, jersey number 9. Sabi ni Lord Mark Estrada. Good team, Solana. Very active sa pag-comment si Catherine Joy Soriano Bangayan. Ayan, mga supporters of Team Solana. Good job, Team Solana. Keep it up, sabi po na Azrima Alejandro. And that ball is inside for Toyongan. A lucky ace to possibly end this match or end this set for Team Solana. 2017 is our score. Overset. And a point for Bago with that drop ball shot. And Team Solana is making a huge lead. And they are up by 4, 21-17. And misreceive through the hands of the libero of Team Amulung. What a service ace by Toyongan. And now she will try again, targeting the hands of the libero. Nice pick up. A chance ball for Team Solana. Layugan is dug up. Binalik sa Team Solana. Layugan with that pipe attack. Talaga nga naman, si Layugan ay maaasahan for Team Solana. 23-17. And Team Amulong will call for a timeout. Yes, the connection is there for Toyongan and Layugan. And possibly we will see a deciding set for these two teams. Team Solana versus Team Amulung. Ayan. And Team Amulung now is strategizing kung paano pa nila mahahabol ang puntos na iyon, because Toyongan and Layugan is unstoppable right now for Team Solana. And back to the ball game. Kanapi will go in for jersey number 8, Lumboy. Nice serve there by Toyongan. A push by Layugan sa gitna of the block. And a push there by Patag. Toyongan, binigay kay Layugan. And dug up. Free ball again for Team Solana. Binigay ulit kay Layugan. Binato sa likod ni Toyongan. Received by the libero. Layugan scores a point. And now they are on set point. 24. Serving 17. And that ball sails out for Toyongan. Binibigyan pa ng tsansa ang Team Amulung. 18-24 is our score. Kanapi to serve. Nice serve. And back to Layugan. Hindi pa matapos-tapos ang set na ito. 19-24 is our score. And with the help of the net, Kanapi got a service ace that bothers Team Solana. And they will call for a timeout. 20. Set point is our score. Ayan, tapusin nyo na, sabi ni Mark Agana. A proud cousin there. Hello to Catherine Joy Soriano Bangayan for Layugan and Toyongan. Ayan po. Back to the ball game. This is set number 2. And Team Solana is on set point. Kanapi will try again to serve the ball for Team Amulung. A hard service. 1-2 play. Morales will give that free ball to Team Solana. Layugan is dug up. Nabalik. And now, that ends the set for Team Solana. Team Amulung. And that spike is credit to Layugan. The service ace for Bakay. And our score now is 2-0. Nice receive there by Akad. Layugan on that cross-court kill. Ayan. Nangunguna na po ang Team Solana on this deciding set. But that serve will go out for jersey number 4, Bakay. Ayan, Morales now is on deck to serve. Toyongan to Layugan, top spin. Padilla will try, and that hit the ball on zone 1 of Team Solana. 2 serving 3 is our score. Morales is on deck to serve. That is outside for Morales. And now Toyongan is on deck to serve for Team Solana. A heavy serve. But nice pick up there by the libero and Padilla with that off the block hit. And now, jersey number 14 to serve, Desuna. Toyongan to Layugan with that push. Libero will set that ball up. Chance ball for Team Solana. Sa gitna, Layugan. A drop shot is good for Layugan. And now, she is on the service line. 5-3 is our score. Nice serve. Chance ball for Team Solana. Nice chase there by the libero of Amulung. Now Akad will try. An attack error for Team Solana. Now Padilla is on deck to serve. Also service error committed by Padilla. Now back with 2 points. Leading points for Team Solana. Set to open with a chance ball for Team Solana. Open. Net block with that hit by Bakay. Kanapi to serve. Napalakas ng service si Kanapi. And that point will be given to Team Solana. 7-5 is our score. Nice receive. Morales with that approach. Nice dig there by Patag. Morales with the approach. 4. Pick up by Bago. Akad. Top spin. Sa gitna. Miguel with that drop shot. Pero nabuhay. And now Morales will try with the help of the net. And a mega rally. Blocked by Toyongan. Nakulangan sa push si Morales on that hit. And now Team Solana is up by 3. 8-5 is our score. Morales with the approach. Someone touches the net and a point for Team Amulung. Ayan, Morales, jersey number 2, will serve for Team Amulung. Nice serve. Toyongan pushes that at the back. Miscommunication. Bumalik sa side ng Team Amulung. Another miscue. But that ball sails out for that free ball. A point for Team Solana. And now Akad is on deck to serve. 9 serving 6. Targeting the hands of Morales. A service ace. And that will call for a timeout for Team Amulung. 10-6 is our score. Ayan, hello. Galing ng libero ng Amulung. Sabi po ni Justin Castillo Takal. Galaw-galaw, wag nakatayo kapag may pumapalo Team Solana. Ayan. Sumesermon na po si Lori Bange. Go Amulung, Robert Carl Rumusud. Ilaban mo Hanilet Takulog. For the win, Solana team. Sabi po ni Vivian Patag. Hello also to supporter of Team Solana. Let's go Team Solana, sabi ni Kevin Denzel Ingan Escobar. Now back to the ball game. Akad is still serving. Miguel, 1-2 play. A push there by Toyongan. And a chance ball now for Team Solana. Sa gitna, Layugan is dug up. And a swipe, bumalik kay Layugan with that free ball. Founding the hole on that zone 2 of Team Amulung. And our score now is 11, serving 6. Solana is up by 5. Ayan, galing ng setter ng Amulung, the best. Ayan, si Desuna. Set to Layugan. And a powerful kill with the help of the net by Layugan. Gusto nang tapusin ng Team Solana. And they are up by 6 points, 12. Serving 6. Open to Morales. A chance ball for Team Solana. Bakay with that push. Open down the line. Bakay. Push at the back. And now Layugan will swipe that ball. And a point again for Team Solana. This is now our 7. Nice serve by Akad. Regalo para kay Layugan. That receive by Morales went outside. And a point for Team Solana. Ayan, pinasok na po si Celoza for Team Amulung. And a misreceive again by Morales. Now a chance ball. Toyongan to Bakay. To Layugan with that drop ball. Nice decision there by Layugan. Making their lead to 9. 15, serving 6. Ayan, Akkad. Still serving. Targeting the hands of the libero. And a service ace for Akkad. 16-6 is our score. Ayan, another service ace for Akkad. Bumababa ng energy ng Team Amulung. Kaya please comment sa mga supporters ng Team Amulung. And with that, a service error. A point for Team Amulung. Ayan, Celoza now is on deck to serve. Toyongan to Layugan. A drop shot. Again. Butas na butas ang center ng Team Amulung. A nice decision there by Layugan to make a drop ball rather than a hard spike. Kasi basang-basa nila ang hard ball ni Layugan. Now, patag to try. Padilla is dug up. Nice save there. Now Morales. Too much angle on that hit by Morales. Now Pascual to serve. Received by Padilla. Padilla is blocked. Top spin. Dug by the libero. Free ball for Team Amulung. To Padilla. Nice dig by the libero. But it goes straight to the net. Hindi na naiangat ni Toyongan. And a point for Team Amulung. 8-19 is our score. And nice serve. A heavy serve by Morales. A push. Right straight to the net by Layugan. Binibigyan pa ng tsansa ang Team Amulung para makabawi on this deciding set. And a service error is committed by Morales. Now Solana is on their 20th point. 5 na lang for Team Solana. A miscommunication there for Team Amulung. 21-9 is our score. Ayan, next game pa lang po ang Team Alcala versus Team Tuguegarao City. Ooh, a service ace by Toyongan using the hands of Canapi. 22-9 is our score. Padilla with that hit. Hindi na nahabol ni Bago And our score now is 10-22. Solana with that 12-point lead. Nice serve there by jersey number 14, Desuna. Padilla is dug up. Layugan with that swipe. Binalik sa Team Solana. Layugan will try. Top spin. Dug up by Morales. Kanapi. Nice rally is going on. Nice dig there by Morales. Ayan. Layugan experimenting sa lahat ng anggulo. Bago the lefty with the help of the net. And now Team Solana is on their warning point. And may nanalo na, uwi na. Go Team Solana, sabi ni MJ Maborang de la Cruz. Morales with that pickup. A free ball for Akkad and a point now. Match point now for Team Solana. And to serve is Layugan. What a nice placement there by Desuna. Ayan, sabi niya, laban pa, kaya natin to. And Padilla will serve that ball. A chance ball for Team Amulong. Morales is blocked, but it is a blockers out. Ayan, lumalaban pa rin ang Team Amulong. 12 serving match point. Padilla still serving. Toyongan to Akkad. Hanapi. Okay, back to Team Amulong. Dug up. Morales will give Solana a winning chance. Dug up. Okay, a chance ball now for Team Amulong. Morales with the approach. Dug up by the libero. A push. And tinulak ni Toyongan sa likod. But there is Padilla. And now, for the winning point, Akkad still hesitant. Ayan, nagkagulo ang Team Solana. Ayan. Patuloy pa rin na lumalaban ang Team Amulong. 13 serving match point. And that service error will give a win to Team Solana. A nice fight for Team Amulong.